Hi guys, we're back with another video, and today we're gonna open
some random packs. So I went to Rite, so I found some of these packs. So they're blister packs, and then we got like an XY breakpoint with the Kangaskhan pin on it. So let's go right to it. So
I wanna open this one.
breakpoint. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna open one of the Darkness Ablaze sleeve packs. So in this one, of course, you want that.
Actually, I don't wanna open this one. I think right now. Okay.
That one? Okay. So I'll put those over there for you. Yeah, we got some Groki sleeves. So here we go. Of course, you want that Charizard in this set. Here we go. Fire. Hellish. Told you guys. Okay, Cellrock, Morlul, Wishy-Washy, Poufant, Dino, and a Tyranitar, and a Clune.
You said and,
I know.
but that's not the and.
I know, I thought it was the end.
Oh, I don't want to do it this time.
Yes, of course. Alright, here you go. I know. Forgot to guess, I'm sorry. Okay, so Psychic, Roam, Simfor, Spikesmuth, Skarmory, Hugo, Wimpod, Bunnelby, Toxel, and here's the last one, the next one, and a Arzical Holograph. Yeah.
Why do we put these?
Just put them right here. Alrighty, fire. So fighting Bird Keeper, Ferret, Sinistea, Terrablast, Tang, Monley, Purloin, Bunnelby, and a Credent. Okay. So we got a code card right here. Got the Wooloo Hollow. What's that? So that's Snorlax in there. Jalen. What?
It's just so pointy and thin, I can't even open it. Oh! Repeat!
Yeah, so put that in the Groki sleeve.
Wait.
Since Groki is your favorite Pokemon. Well, they'll see when you do the card trick. Okay. Alright, do your card trick. 4. Do 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Lightning.
Fire.
Oh, you got it right. Okay. Okay, fire. Bead. Hitmonlee. Rare Candy. Wooloo.
Let's already go.
Oh,
Let's already go.
okay, Swallow. Right on. Keep going. Roselia. Oh, that can be nice.
But can you show the
Oh,
other
that
one?
that a Wooloo came in there too.
But
Yeah. All right.
same.
Okay, so that's our first one. open the break point one.
I saved that one for last. And I wanted to open that one.
You said you didn't want to open it?
I wanted to save it for last though. And I wanted to open it.
Here we go. Here's the Genghis Khan pin.
I'm gonna open that one.
Okay. Something fates collide.
Because I love school.
Well, you know we got nothing on this one, so let's just go through it. Whismer, Co, Marowak.
Whenever we show the code cards, we just go through it.
Yeah.
Now.
Again. Let's see what we get.
Square Bunny,
Pikachu, Shelter, Cinderace, Reverse Rare, Corona.
You should sleeve Cinderace since it's a rare.
Yeah, okay.
I already saw something.
Okay, but you don't want to show it to them. Don't spoil it.
Shiny.
It's the card trick. Okay, so Koja. Great Ball, Woodry, Slowpoke, Rattata. Togekiss EX, very nice.
I'm really done.
Yeah. I know you're excited when you see it, but
When I see black, that's when I'm like, and when I see shiny,
okay, Togekiss. Alright, so
this.
last pack. Our last pack magic here. Go.
I saw another thing in the map. Fire.
Lightning. Oh, I got it right. Cool. Lucky Egg. Mantine. Crush Hammer. Four Seed. Krabby. Keep going. Zigzagoon. Inteleon. And very nice. Well, that's good. So, this is what we got today. Our
They
card
spread
opening.
out a little bit.
Yeah, so Jalen, get on the camera. Okay. So this is our three. We got the Lapras, Zacian, and a Togekiss. Not bad for a couple of cards that we just got. So that's pretty good right there. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing this video, share it, and we'll see you in the next one.